Oh, the gigantic fidget spinner. Oh. Blue. Oh, wait. Hello. There's a lot of colours in this. A lot of colours. No! It looked as if I was still falling like normally. No! Oh, I think I know what that is. Oh, that is a go cheese and crackers. Oh, it's this one. Oh, thank you. No! I just followed him normally, and then as he went down, I went down with him. What? How are you supposed to do that? Mop. That kind of looks like colored bits of toast. Oh, okay, this is easy. It's red. It's not red. It's not red at all.